Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hamtech Markets for Tuesday the 13th of May. I'm going to move on to dollar yen now, and dollar yen has actually now started to recover quite positively. It's used the support of this lower bound of the uptrend channel, very slight uptrend channel that we've got in place here, and it's now pushed away from that, and it's now back and towards and challenging this 144-day moving average. This is turning the outlook quite far more neutral. In actual fact, these momentum indicators turned up once more. RSI at 50, stochastics beginning to turn up, and MACD lines also fairly flat. So you would say that coming back towards all these moving averages here as well, that the outlook is fairly benign within this trading band, and I think a move towards these highs of within this band around 102.75 probably wouldn't be unexpected in due course. The intraday chart shows that we've broken above 102, which was a resistance, and this has also now completed a base pattern, which actually gives us an implied target of 102.60, taking the 101.40 to the 102 distance and projecting that upwards gives us 102.60 on this recovery. So this is around about where we can be expecting this dollar yen to be coming up towards, which is obviously a positive thing for the dollar. In terms of immediate outlook, you would probably say you could argue there's a slight band of a pivot level around about the 102.30, 102.40 mark, which possibly could induce a bit of consolidation or a minor correction back towards what is now a band of support between 102 big figure, which is the neckline of that base pattern, and also 102.20. You do tend to find that that dollar yen sort of deals in 20s. I've found so you've got that key level at 102.80. Sorry, you've got the key level at 102.80 that was used as support around that level. 102.40 was the ultimate low. 102.60 was also a bit of a stopping area as well. 102 big figure, 102.20 has been also used as a basis of support and became resistance. And now I think having broken above 102.20, we can suggest that 102 to 102.20 is a nice band of support there. So I think that's an area that you need to be looking at if you're going to be buying dollar yen into that band of support there, because I think we will be moving back towards the 102.60 mark in due course as this recovery continues. Momentum indicators are a little bit stretched, also on the RSI. And the MACD lines, so you could imagine that around this sort of level you could see a bit of consolidation and potentially back in towards that band of support 102 to 102.20. But it certainly looks at the moment as though this recovery is intraday and also within this trading band is gaining some nice upside momentum, and any sort of weakness could be bought into for a move towards that 102.60 implied target. Okay, so that's my outlook for dollar yen. A slight bit of action going on here in dollar yen, which is unusual considering dollar yen tends to be fairly benign and doesn't really move, or hasn't moved too much recently. But we'll wait and see what happens, and I will wish you good luck, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.